HCF and LCM. Today we are going to discuss correlation between HCF and LCM. Let's see some properties. Every number is a factor of itself. For example, 24 is a factor of 24. The LCM of any two prime numbers is product of those numbers. For example, LCM of 5 and 7 is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. The HCF of any two prime numbers is 1. For example, HCF of 7 and 11 is 1. Product of given numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. HCF and LCM of two numbers. You can see one example here, 18 and 30. Divided by 2 we get 9 and 15. 9 and 15 divided by 3 we get 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Therefore, which are in the yellow boxes, that HCF is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And in LCM we take all numbers, that common and uncommon factors. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 90. HCF and LCM of three numbers. Example is that 16, 28, 40. Divided by 2 we get 8, 14, 20. Again divided by 2 we get 4, 7, 10. Now 7 is not divisible by 2, so remaining two numbers are divided by 2 we get 2 and 5, and 7 keep as it is. So which are in blue color, that is a common factor. So HCF of 16, 28, 40 is equal to 2 into 2, that is a 4. And LCM of 16, 28, 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 5 is equal to 560. Correlation between HCF and LCM. One example here, 36 and 42 divided by 2 we get 18 and 21. 18 and 21 divided by 3 we get 6 and 7. 6 is divided by 2 we get 3 and 7 as it is. So in yellow box says that HCF 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is a 6 into 7 is equal to 252. So product of numbers 36 into 42 is equal to 1512. And the product of HCF and LCM, we get the same number, that is 6 into 252 is equal to 1512. So we can conclude product of numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Now reduction of fraction. One example is here. Reduce 209 divided by 247 to its simplest form. To reduce the number to its simplest form, we will find the common factors of 209 and 247. So first of all, we will find HCF by division method. So 247 divided by 209 we get 38 remainder. Again 209 divided by 38 we get 19 remainder. 38 divided by 19 we get the 0 remainder. So 19 is HCF. Numerator and denominator are both divided by 19. Then we get 209 divided by 19 upon 247 divided by 19 is equal to 11 upon 13. So by HCF we can find the reduction of fraction.